Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a free Calendly account. So just you can type here Calendly and here you can see this is official website. Just you can click here and after that here you can see pricing, and Calendly offers these packages. Here you can see the first one, free package, and you can check the features. So simply click here, get started, and after that add here your email, then simply click here sign up button. Okay guys, it says that we already have account, so simply click here sign up and then sign in with the email. And after that click here continue button. So now here you can see I have created one meeting. So if I want to add this meeting into my website, how I can do that? Simply click here share button, then here you can see third option add to website. Then here you can find out three options: inline embed, pop-up. So I want to select first one, inline embed. Then scroll down, click here continue, then just copy this code and add into your website. So let me add a new page. Just I can give a title here, no sidebar. Then here you can see I am choosing DB builder. So let me click here and you can add this code in any WordPress theme. And let me search for code module. Then here I can paste it, and after that you can see width and height options. Just you can change according to your requirement. After that just click here update. You can also use DB frontend builder by clicking here build on the front end. Now let's go here. So guys, here you can see Calendly is working fine.